Stacking RFL amplifiers is a very simple process. Each RFL amplifier includes 2 jack stands and 2 mounting screws. The first step is to insert a jack stand at each of the mounting holes and twist 90 degrees to lock into place. Once all 4 jack stands are locked into place, align your second amplifier over the appropriate mounting holes on the jack stands. Then use the included screws to secure the amplifier to the jack stands.